Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Quickbooks for auto repair shop. So, the first thing that we are going to understand here that if you own or manage a car repair business, then Quickbooks can help you track the customer payments, repair invoices, expenses, and profits all in one place. Okay, so you can set up your auto repair business in QuickBooks, create invoices for repair jobs, and track the parts and the expenses, then record the customer payments. Okay, so first thing that we are going to do here is we just have to open any of our web browser, okay? So you just have to type it right here, QuickBooks. That's right. And then you just have to find the first website. So we have this one. So simply tap on it. That's right. Okay, and then after that, so just go to the Philippines site. Okay, so after that, you'd be able to see this website right here. Now, okay, so here you just have to tap on the C plans and the pricing, and then you will be directed to this section. And as you can see, we have here the different plans, so you just have to choose your own plan. So if you are a beginner, so you'd be able to get the simple start, and if you are managing a large scale of business, then you can proceed to the plus or the advanced. So currently I am using the simple start. So yeah, let us now proceed. Okay, so once you have logged into your account or you have successfully created your QuickBooks account, then you just have to tap on the settings because we are going to, create our business name, auto repair shop, the address, the contact information, and our tax details. So here, let's just go to the settings and then tap on the company settings, okay, or the account and settings. So simply tap on this one. That's right, and then just have to wait for a couple of seconds. So once you're here, enter the company settings. So you just have to type out the name of your business, the address of your auto repair shop, your contact information, and then the tax details. So you have that everything right here. Okay, and then after that, let us now go to the chart of accounts. Okay, so make sure to fill out all of these details. Okay, so let me just close this section. So under the chart of accounts, this is where you categorize your income, okay, and expenses. For an auto repair shop, the common categories, it includes the income, so repair services, labor charges, and then the parts and sales. Okay, so tap on the chart of accounts. So we have here the income, the expenses. So this section will help the QuickBooks to organize your finances automatically. Okay, so for example, just have to create a new account. So we have an existing account right here. Okay, so yeah, let me just show you how to create one. So tap on it, and then you just have to create an account name. For example, repair services, labor charges, or parts sales. So let me just create just one. Repair services. That's right. So this one under the income, and for the account type, so yeah, just have to select income for this one, and then you have to add here the default tax code. That's right, and then you just have to save this new account. Okay, so you just have to do that to the rest, of course. Now the next thing is to add our customers. So you just have to tap on the sales. Okay, so let me just go back right here. Go to the sales, and then go to the sales and get paid. Okay, so let me just tap on the section, and then go to the just go to the customers directly. Okay, so since they have updated their menus, so we can just select the customer immediately. And then right here, just tap on the new customer so you can add your new customer. Okay, and then here just have to fill out or put here the details of your new customer. So it includes the title, the first name, the middle name, and the last name. Okay, so their email, their contact information, and etc. Okay, so of course, it is very important to note the customer name, the phone number, the email address, the vehicle information, and then for auto repair shops, it is helpful to add notes like Toyota Hilux, brake repair, or Honda Civic oil change. So this helps you keep track of repeat customers and their vehicles. Okay, so now to create an invoice for repair jobs, so just simply tap on the new option. So this one at the top. So just close this now and then tap on the create option and then go to the invoice. Okay, so after selecting the invoice, you just have to select the customer and then input or enter the repair services. Okay, so just select your customer. So for example, we have this customer right here, and then we can now add here all of the details. So for example, for the item, you can add like brake pad replacement, and then you can add here now the description. So front brake pads replacement, and then the quantity, and then of course the price, and then the rate. So if the customer also bought parts, you can also add another line. Okay, so you can add product or services or add a new line. So for example, like brake pads, that would be $80, and then QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total amount to you, and you'll be able to see that right here. Okay, and then you can then email the invoice to the customer, print it to the shop counter, or save it for records, and this keeps your billing professional and organized. So you have that button right here. Okay, and then the next one is to record the customer payment. So to do that, you just have to just close this section. Okay, so we don't have to save this. So just simply tap on the create option. That's right. And then you just have to choose the receive payment. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then you just have to choose your customer. So for example, we have this customer, and then you just have to add here the email. Okay, and then after that, you just have to choose the payment method such as cash. So we have the debit card, check, or credit card. So for example, of course, I'm just going to choose the credit card for this one. That's right. And then for the reference number, okay, and then the invoice. So you'd be able to see that right here. After that, you just have to tap on the save or save and close option. Okay, and of course, you can also run your reports. That is very important. So yeah, to run your reports right here, you just have to go to the reports section. Okay, so you have that right here, and then this report will show you the total repair income, the total expenses, the net profit, and of course for auto repair shops, this helps you understand which services earn the most and how much you're spending on parts and your monthly earnings. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.